Friends, meet the F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation stealth fighter jet. 615 sec, afterburner flames, plus sharp turns. With a top speed of Mach 2, super cruise without afterburners, and thrust vectoring engines. Catching it in a dogfight is impossible. 1630 sec, cockpit view, plus radar graphics. Its advanced AESA radar and sensor fusion give it the power to detect, lock on, and destroy enemies before they even know it's there. 3145 sec EU's weapons bay opening mid-air. With internal weapons bays carrying AIM-120, AMRAAM, and AIM-9X Sidewinder missiles, it delivers a deadly